you getting the beer at this time of night? Don't you know drinking leads to communist brain thinkery? Oh, so you don't know what you want? It's in the nature of blokes like you to interrupt gents like me.
Oh yeah, well while we're having a chinwag, I'm burning quid cool in the whole neighborhood.
Well, I'm pretty skeptical you even have the mental capacity to even care about that.
We'll see how smart you are after meeting my foot, little man.
Oh, you're gonna see how morally bankrupt you are, big man.
Why is there a little man in my fridge?
Don't think about it too hard. It leads to fear and trembling and sickness and to death.
You want to see not thinking about it? Oh, you want to see not thinking about it? I'll show you not thinking about it.
It seems like we have a trolley problem here.
Oh, you want to see a trolley problem, huh?
Ah.